What if fighter jets never had to stop for fuel again and the refueling aircraft had no pilot at all? This is the MQ-25A Stingray, the world's first carrier-based unmanned aerial refueling tanker, and it's changing naval air combat forever. Unlike fighter jets or spy drones, the MQ-25A has one mission only: to extend the reach of carrier strike aircraft. No weapons, no dogfights, just fuel delivered in the sky. Traditionally, carrier-based fighters, like the F/A-18, spent a large portion of their missions acting as aerial tankers. That reduced combat availability and limited strike efficiency. The MQ-25A solves this with full automation. It can carry around 6.8 tons of fuel and refuel multiple aircraft in a single sortie, including the F-35C and F, A-18 Super Hornet. Its design is built around stealth and efficiency. A smooth, low-drag fuselage reduces radar visibility, while its internal fuel system and refueling boom allow precise mid-air transfer. Most importantly, it operates with fully autonomous flight control systems, meaning it takes off from aircraft carriers, navigates mission routes automatically, performs aerial refueling without a pilot on board. Everything is controlled through advanced